Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Divya. Today's topic for discussion is biomining and bioleaching. Biomining is a broad term that describes the extraction of specific metals from their ore through biological means, usually microorganisms. It is an alternative to more traditional physical chemical methods of mineral processing. The application of biomining process predates by centuries the understanding of the role of microorganisms in metal extraction. However, the modern era of biomining began with the discovery of the bacterium Thiobacillus ferroxidans. Biomining encompasses two processes, bioleaching and biooxidation. Bioleaching is a process by which metals are dissolved from ore bearing rocks using microorganisms. Bioleaching is also called microbial leaching. It is ore is converted into pure metal with the help of microorganisms. And biooxidation is a process by which the recovery of a metal is enhanced by microbial decomposition of the mineral, but the target metal is not necessarily solubilized. In bioleaching, the desired metal is leached from the ore. In biooxidation, the undesired metals and other compounds are leached away from the ore. Microorganisms used in bioleaching. The most commonly used microorganism in bioleaching are Thiobacillus thioxidans, Thiobacillus ferroxidans. Other microorganisms also involved like Sulfolobus, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Penicillium simplicicum. Chemistry of bioleaching. Thiobacillus thioxidans and Thiobacillus ferroxidans have always been found to be present on the leaching dump. The species of Thiobacillus is most extensively studied gram-negative bacteria, which derives energy from oxidation of Fe2+. The reaction mechanisms are of two types. One is direct bacterial leaching, that is contact with the leaching, indirect bacterial leaching. Direct bacterial leaching. In this process, the physical contact exists between bacteria and ores, and oxidation of minerals takes place through enzymatically catalyzed steps. Example, pyrite is oxidized to ferric sulfate. Indirect bacterial leaching. In this process, the microbes are not in direct contact with minerals, but bacteria produces strong oxidizing agents such as ferric iron and sulfuric acid on oxidation of soluble iron or soluble sulfur respectively. For indirect bioleaching, acidic environment is absolutely essential in order to keep ferric iron and other metals in solution. Acidic environment maintained by oxidation of iron, sulfur, metal sulfides or by dissolution of carbonate ions. Example, bleaching of uranium. There are three commercial processes used in bioleaching. One is slope leaching, heap leaching, in situ leaching. Slope leaching. Here, the ores are first ground to get fine piece and then dumped into large leaching tub. Water containing inoculum of Thiobacillus is continuously sprinkled over the ore. Water is collected from the bottom and used to extract metal and generate bacteria in an oxidation pond. Heap leaching. Here, the ore is dumped into large heaps called leach heaps. Water containing inoculum of Thiobacillus is continuously sprinkled over the ore, and water is collected from the bottom and used to extract metal and generate bacteria in an oxidation pond. In situ bioleaching. In this process, the ore remains in its original position in the earth. Surface blasting of earth is done to increase the permeability of water. Water containing thiobacillus is pumped through drilled passage to the ore. Acidic water seeps through the rock and collects at the bottom. Again, water is pumped from bottom. Minerals is extracted and water is reused after generation of bacteria. Factors affecting bioleaching. Several factors which is affect bioleaching process. One is choice of bacteria, second pH and temperature, third one is population and density, fourth is metal tolerance, fifth oxidation reaction compositions, finally surface area. Coming to the benefits of bioleaching, it's simple process, it is inexpensive technique, no poisonous sulfur dioxide emission as a smelter, no need of high pressure and temperature, an idea for low grade sulfide ores, environmental friendly process. We have some disadvantages also of bioleaching. Time consuming, it takes 6 to 24 months or longer to complete the process. It have very low yield of minerals and it requires a large open area for treatment and may have no process control and have high risk of contamination and inconsistent yield because bacteria cannot grow uniformly. Thank you.